Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Calm app on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Calm app on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap on it. Once the App Store opens, look for the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Search tab to open the search function. In the search bar at the top, type Calm and press the search button. You should see the Calm app listed in the search results. Look for the app with a blue icon featuring a white cloud. Next to the Calm app, you will see a button that says Get. Tap on the Get button to begin the download process. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. Wait a few moments for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, the Get button will change to Open. You can tap Open to launch the Calm app. Alternatively, you can find the Calm app on your home screen. Tap on the Calm app icon to open it for the first time. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You will have the option to sign up for a free trial or choose a subscription. Once you complete the setup, you are ready to explore all the Calm app has to offer. Enjoy your journey to relaxation and mindfulness with the Calm app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.